We as people, uncles, we have to make the standards. The standards, very uncles, have never came from the politicians. This is what people make mistake. The only thing the politicians are very good at is to weather forecast. They are very good at taking their thumb, their fingers, licking it and putting it in the wind and saying, it's going to be windy because they are feeling it. They are very good at putting their ears to the ground and understand what the ground is saying and be able to turn around and word it better than what the ground can do. They are very good at collecting our problems that we are suffering from and come and tell us that, listen, you are suffering from water. And by the way, you are not the only ones that are suffering from water. Uncle Jake as well in Harare is suffering from water. That's what they're good at.
Mm.
But it does not mean that by the time that they tell me Uncle Jade was not suffering with water 2 days ago before they told me he was suffering with water. I was suffering with water as well. No electricity. Uncle Jade has no electricity.
Right.
We have to take our position as the maintainers of morality and order here. We are the ones that have turned around and left our jobs. This is why everyone is running crazy out here, saying the most stupidest things.
Right.
And they are saying it to us. You got ZANU PF turning around and saying they are going to do this. They are supreme to the government. They are telling us here. We have left out, we have forgotten, uncles, that we are the adults here. We are the owners of Zimbabwe here. They are all, ZANU PF is just workers. They are house girls and fucking garden boys. Sorry for swearing. That's what they are. In the context of a nation. They are employees. And the other political parties and anyone who's in politics is wanting to campaign to become an employee. To who? To the owners. We are not the children, they are the workers.
Right.
But we've got it in our heads that we are the children. We have lost the responsibility. We are the ones that are turning around and facing the most hellish period of our time. And we're allowing everyone to play here. We are being told, uncles, I want to show you how bad it is. We are being told that this thing is illegal, yes? This thing is illegal from source. This thing is illegal from inception. Why are we being told to go and put our opinions?
Yes. Those are just another. We don't need to.
Because we have left our own positions. We're pretending as if we don't know what is going on here. We're pretending as if we do not know that a presidency from this constitution is 5 years. Do you need a court to tell you that, Uncle Ted?
No, never.
Do you need a court to tell you that the president cannot extend his term? The parliament is 5 years. The parliament cannot extend their term. There is no employee, uncle, that can extend his own contract. You employ me to turn around and come and clean your house for 6 months. And you allow me to extend my own contract. And say now it's 12 months and come and show you that, Uncle Jade, now I've moved it from 6 to 12. You are going to say that, who are you? But we do not want to stand on the morality that the Constitution requires us to stand. If we are the creators of the Constitution, that is the supreme document. That means we are the supreme power here. That means whatever we say, everything bows down to us here. We are not playing politics anymore. Here we're playing power. If you think you are powerful than us, produce a document, let's see. Because we produce the constitution. The constitution is the supreme law of that land. And we cannot have voluntary organizations like ZANU-PF claim supremacy over us.
Mm.
And we have to be very clear, uncles, that anyone that touches this document, anyone that participates in this document, you have lost your position in that government.
Right.
We do not recognize you anymore in that position. You have become illegal simply by accepting it, simply by looking at it, simply by putting an opinion on it, simply by turning around and passing it on. Because we, as the creators of this thing called the Constitution of Zimbabwe, are not touching this thing because it is illegal.
Right.
We are not participating in any processes because it is illegal. Anyone that does forfeits their position, because anyone, uncles, that turns around and gets into government, any position, he has to put an oath to uphold that constitution.
Right.
So how can you touch a document that is illegal and still uphold the constitution of Zimbabwe?
It's crazy, man. It's crazy.
And we have to say it to the government of Zimbabwe. We have to say it to the courts of Zimbabwe. And we have to say it to even our own side. That do not lead us. At this moment, in uncles, there is hearings that are happening on Monday next week. Our own side are telling people to go to those hearings. How can you go to a hearing of an illegal thing?
Crazy.
So if we are going to stand that we are the creators of the constitution, we are the ones that turn around and give power to these entities, it means the power angles has to be shown. Because you can't just turn around and pretend to have muscles if you are not lifting up the stones and the metals. Lift them up, let's see. And that's what is required for us to do now. We can't speak of power anymore.
No, we can't.
You have to exhibit it. Now, Uncle Jade, you have to turn around and roll up your sleeve and show your boys in the house that you still have power and lift up the sofa.
Yeah.
You can't say, but I used to lift up the sofa. No. You have to lift up the sofa. Yes. After you lift up the sofa, you're going to go to bed and take painkillers, but the boys are not going to see that. We have to show power now. And the only way we show power is the ability to reject this thing and remove consent on anyone. At the end of the day, we do not need them, uncles. All of them. They need us. They need us to get to those positions. They need to be councillors. We do not need to be councillors. They need to be MPs. We do not need to be MPs. They need to be presidents. We do not need to be. And if they think they are the only ones, sorry, we are 16 million people here, people. We can put any chick in jail to run a country. It's not a hard thing. This is why, Uncle Ted, for the councillor, for the MP, for the president, this is why there is no educational requirement. There is none. You just come, popularity face, there you go. You've got people that will teach you how to run it. Let's be honest. But we can't be held hostage.
No, we can't.
And we have to put our foot down before Monday comes, uncles. Because if we don't put our foot down on Monday, it's going to be hard to fight this later on. Because we can't consent on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. And then want to remove consent later on.
Nah.
When we have consented.
Yeah. That is where we are, unfortunately.
And I'll finish up with this, uncles. We have to sort ourselves out. Let's not talk about other people. Ourselves here. because we are the enjoyers of this stupidity. If it says something to Chamisa, I'm the one clapping hands. Yes.
Uh-huh.
If Chamisa says something to Wende, I'm the one clapping hands. And I turn around and say, guys, we need to put unity. How can you put unity when you have already turned around and clapped hands to division? If you want to put unity, you have to tell them, I'm not clapping hands to what you're saying, so thank you very much. I'm not clapping hands to what you're saying. I'll only clap hands when you start to turn around and push your attacks to the entity that is oppressing us.
Mm-mm.
Not yourselves. Yourselves, that's what you do. There, go and do it in impulse. We don't have time for you.
Absolutely.
And if we sort ourselves in receiving those things, you see how easy it is for everyone to fall in line because they won't have an audience.
That's true.
They will do what we are the ones, uncles. There's a Shona song. What is it called? There's a famous Shona saying these days. Fadza mtengi wewawa.
No,
We are the mtengi wewawa. It's not the other way around.
Yeah.
They have to father us. They have to dance to our tune. And our tune now, uncles, is seriousness.
Yeah, that is true.
And that's what everyone has to dance with. But it's what we have to turn around and maintain and do. They have to see it that we're not playing around.
Yeah,
if we don't,
true.
uncles, Zan is going to play around. Everyone else is going to play around in pushing back Zan. And we are all going to be the ones here in your space crying for years to come.